as you as salespeople, you run into a lot of objections. And one of the ones that I think that is kind of interesting to get some feedback on this is like, you think price is a real objection? Objection?
I think that price can be real. For instance, right now, I can't afford a Bugatti. I don't have the 1.2, 1.3 just sitting in the bank, plus whatever you need for insurance and maintenance and storage and all. So I don't have that. So, if I go to the Bugatti dealership.
So you just let it out. You don't have that just ready to spend.
And plus I live in Wisconsin. Do I really want my Bugatti covered in salt and sand? Probably not, but so it's like, if I go to the Bugatti dealership, regardless of how good that salesperson is, regardless of how perfect that Bugatti is, if I tell you I can't afford it, like I can't afford it, in which case price can be a real objection. However, if I am a qualified buyer, price is usually not a real thing. And the thing that I end up really kind of training people on, and I'll give your audience a bit of a nugget here, is that the mass majority of objections are a result of your customer not even being aware of what the objection is, because they don't need to think about it. It's not probably the price if they're qualified. It's not that they're needing to talk to. It usually stems from the fact that they're comparing the decision to do business on this product to all the bad decisions that they've made previously. So in which case, for instance, my business, I sell sales training. It's cringeworthy. People have had bad experiences with it, and I'm expensive. It's thousands of dollars to work for me. People pay it all the time because people get results. But the point that I'm trying to make is that when I'm trying to get somebody's credit card number and they want to buy and they're sold and they still give me objections, it's not because, again, they need to think about it or any of those things. All that they're doing is they're in the back of their head unaware of it because it's their subconscious. They're thinking about all the books they have on the bookshelf that they paid hundreds of dollars for that they never read. They're thinking about the gym membership, that they bought for $100 a month that they only went to twice and never got a six-pack. They're thinking about the $40,000 they put into their backyard for building a pool for their kids that their kids only use once a month. And they're like, yeah, I don't think I'm actually going to do the work. I don't think I'm actually going to get results. And so if you're in the audience and you're in sales, there's usually one or two reasons why somebody isn't buying from you. And it has nothing to do with, I got to talk to my spouse or VP and whatever. It's always, am I going to use it? And do I need it right now? Like, dude, the reason why most people suck at selling life insurance isn't because their prices are high or because people don't actually want life insurance. It's because, dude, I'm alive right now. My wife is fine. My kids are fine. I'm fine.
Dude, that's so true. I'm alive right now.